Welcome to Fun with Forms, where we talk about how you can best use Desk Director's forms. I'm Mary Lou Klasa.
And I'm Jazz Vorlich. Today, we're going to explore how to create interactive forms, a game changer for modern data collection.
Exactly. Imagine capturing all the information you need while keeping users engaged. That's what Desk Director's interactive forms offer.
Our intuitive form builder lets you design forms that are not just functional, but also engaging and visually appealing. With features like dropdowns and checkboxes, your forms can be as dynamic as your business.
Interactive forms lead to better client interaction by providing a user-friendly experience, resulting in more submissions and better data quality. Plus, with built-in analytics, track submissions and gain insights to optimize your forms continuously.
This continuous improvement helps tailor your approach and improve client interactions.
Start building interactive forms with Desk Director today and see the difference. Visit our Help Center for more tips.